Posting is the process when transactions and amounts are saved to customer, vendor, and bank balances. Before posting, batches may require printing the listing report, depending on a setting in the company profile. If a batch contains errors, no entries will be posted, and corrections must be made, or the entry moved or deleted from the batch before it can be posted. To post one or more batches, you can access the Post menu and choose Batches to select a single or range of batches. Posting is also available directly from the Batch Entries screen, allowing any selection of batches, even those not consecutive. Posting requires exclusive access to many company data records, so if another user is working in a record about to be updated, a message may appear to indicate that posting is not currently accessible and to try again later. When you're ready, click the Post button and choose Yes to the confirmation question to begin the process, which may take a few moments depending on the volume of transactions in the selected batches and the size of the company data. Successfully posted batches will update bank amounts and the transaction reconciliation details. Unless the batches were retrieved from Adagio receivables or payables, receipts for receivables customers will be written to a new cash batch, and payments for payables vendors will be written to a new manual check batch. If the bank on the batch was configured to use automatic transfer on posting, in addition to those batch entries, new transactions will also be posted for the transfer to bank, for the fees associated with the auto transfer. A posting journal report with complete batch information is also created. This report can be set to immediately print after posting, with a company profile option labeled as such, for only the current sequence, so that only the batches you just posted are included. In addition to selecting the most recent or some other range of posting sequences, there are some other options for this report. Transactions can be printed in either detailed or summary mode, and can be sorted either by reference number, date, or bank code within each posted batch. Other options are available for page breaks and numbering, and whether a ledger distribution summary prints at the end. Print the report to paper, or generate a PDF of the results. Batch posting journals may be also printed by accessing the Post menu. They are the best source of determining transaction activity for audit purposes. For this reason, all posting journal information is purged as part of year-end processing and cannot be cleared prior to then. Post transaction batches regularly to keep your bank balances up to date. Find out more about Adagio from the product page on our website. Watch another training video on this Adagio program from the playlist, or subscribe to the Adagio YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.